All right, everybody, let's take a look at the all-new 300 BH from Prowler. Very unique to Prowler, you've got a dinette and a bunkhouse floor plan. If you want to set up a TV, your PlayStation's got a pass-through right here. You have an optional AC unit. You also have large windows that open, so don't rely on that AC when you're out camping. Allow the nice breeze to come through. A lot of natural light back here. Very nicely done by the Prowler team. You got a Duralast pressed countertop, no seams, beveled edge, doors, drawers. There's a lot more here in 2021 you're gonna see. They have glass inserts in these deep cabinets here. You're gonna have a 3-burner stove with a glass top, microwave, 10.7 cubic foot residential style reefer. For those of you that wanna go off the grid and you want the LP version, there is an 8 cube available. You just have to check with your nearest authorized Prowler dealer. Functionality here in this dinette. Number one, it's massive, so it's going to accommodate a lot of people. Number two, this converts to a large sleeping area for 2 adults. All these windows open, you get really nice cross breeze. You have privacy when you need it. These will come standard as well. Also, USBs are going to be here in the dinette available for you to charge your phone. They have this multifunctional sofa. You got cup holders here. When you need storage, there's plenty of storage underneath this jackknife sofa. And again, you have another area for your guests to sleep. People always say, oh, we have a lot of guests and the shoes are everywhere. Not anymore. The Prowler team listened and they lifted these cabinets, so now you have a nice spot to put shoes. Here in the entertainment center, you got pass-through, USB, HDMI, Bluetooth. So whether you're listening to music on the side of the coach or you want to connect your PlayStation device, you just simply plug in the HDMI. No messing behind the TV. It's very, very easy to set anything up. You've got dual ducts going the entire length of this coach. It's going to cool your coach much faster, about 50% more than other designs. In this floor plan, there is no carpet. All you're gonna find is on the slide, marine grade woven fabric, mitigates against odor, water, moisture, very easy to clean. You are looking at a true 60 by 80 queen size bed. Now, with the entertainment center being centered, we're gaining about 10 inches of space here in the front of the coach. You're actually able to walk around the entire perimeter of this 60 by 80 bed. You have this shelf, and on both sides, you've got a nightstand, and in each closet, you have outlets, you have LED lighting. You also have pass-through bays. You use a CPAP machine, or you have a smart device, and you want to charge it in the evening when you go to bed. You'd be able to charge while looking at it, or hooking up your CPAP machine to ensure that you have everything that you need from a function standpoint in the front of this coach. Sometimes there's other brands that are out there that won't isolate your storage. So imagine bringing in wet, dirty chairs, folding them up in here, and having them all over your clothes or your shoes. Prowler wanted to isolate and protect, to keep it dry, to keep it clean, and to keep it from going down in your pass-through storage. If you have questions, ask us, the manufacturer, at heartlandrbs.com.